Damage right here.
And we looked outside and the shop was on fire. And you saw it while there? Yes, no.
Hopefully you let me know something soon.
Yeah, this was
It's clean on the inside though.
that truck was a race car. I couldn't get that out. That's the one that had more money than any of them had, and it was a race car.
What's good with y'all? Back with another video. It's the Ghoul 247, and I'm excited to announce after 2 years of being on YouTube and content creator, whatever you want to call it, I finally got monetized. So in order for me to be productive and consistent on YouTube, sometimes I upload shorts. Because my long videos, I'm not gonna lie, don't always hit on anything. Like, the views be a hit or miss. I found in shorts that I get more views, likes, comments, and all of that. So when I'm not posting my long content, I stay productive and consistent with the shorts. And one of them just like blew up, and yeah, so I got monetized off that and found myself up to my goal set for the beginning of the year. If you watch my content, I set it for November. I had my first 1,000 subscribers back in November, December of last year. So my goal for this year was 5,000. Not at 5,000, but I did get monetized. I'm right at 3,500, which is, hey, that's better than nothing. Like I said, I wasn't expecting anything to come from YouTube when I first started. I just used to watch YouTube a lot and found out that they make money posting content. So, I mean, I guess that's any social media platform right now. But we did it. I'm monetized. I'm excited about that. And I'm gonna be putting out more content, most definitely. New builds, everything. I'm just gonna be more consistent as far as when it comes to making long videos. But for the ones that do watch my channel, I appreciate y'all. And if you're watching right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into this video. What's good with y'all? Back with another video, and today we're picking up the new daily turbo car. I got it for a steal, of course, as you see by the thumbnail and the title of this video. Yeah, we're stealing cars. But I don't even know what's actually wrong with it, but for the price I got it, I'll reveal the price that I paid for the car at the end of this video. I'm on the way to one of my guys' shop right now, so he's gonna pick the car up for me. And I'm gonna follow him, or either lead or follow. I'm gonna go pick the Honda up because he says that car is done. There was nothing wrong with that. I just wanted him to check it. Okay, so when I get there, I'm going to switch this car out because I got the Honda over at his house right now. So I'll probably be taking that while he follows me. It's about 20 minutes from here, so yeah, we're picking up the new car today, turboed and everything. So I'm excited about this build. Like I said, I'm not gonna go crazy, but of course we're not gonna leave it to stop. We're gonna do a little something to it. Yeah, but I'm gonna pick back up with y'all when we're on the way to pick the car up. All right, so I had to switch out cars. Like I said, I'm in the Honda. Just waiting on him, and we about to leave to go pick the car up. It's about 28 minutes from here. I thought it was a little bit closer, but it's about 28 minutes away, so that's not too bad. Then we're going to actually see if the car will start, whether it will run right now or what, because like I pretty much bought it sight unseen. For the price of it, anybody would do the same thing. But yeah, sight unseen. I got a few pictures of it, never seen it in person. So from what I was told, that the car overheats sometimes, not all the time. So hopefully it's not a cracked head or anything like that. Maybe something simple that we can fix, get it on the road, maybe within the next few days, and I'll be driving it. So yeah, cross your fingers. Hopefully everything checks out good. And yeah, we about to go see. Yeah, I'm excited about this one for sure. So there you go.
Yeah. Not right at the moment. I had one. What about that? Right after the Super Bowl. Yeah. Next week he was working and I had checked the door and went in.
A little damage right here.
And we looked outside and it stopped on fire. Yes, no.
You already juice it up?
No, I put my thing back on and get some juice and then it come out again.
Figure this out, man. Hopefully you let me know something soon.
Yeah, this was.
It's clean on the inside though.
That truck was in it. My Suburban was in it. We got them out. But my race car, I couldn't get that out. That's the one that had more money than any of them had in it was the race car.
All right, so as you seen in that video, I picked the car up. I'm telling y'all the price now. I picked the car up for $500, sight unseen. I had the impression that was the Mazda 3 Speed, which is just the Mazda 3, so it's not a turbo car. Yeah, I was disappointed. It's not a turbo car though. But I am going to keep it. This car I will definitely be using for work. I'm going to fix it up. The body, you see the body rust on now. I'm going to fix that, clean it up a little bit. The interior is spotless. Come to find out, I probably had to put a new engine in it, which I found a few engines for not that bad of a price. I'm gonna take my time with it. Like I said, I only paid $500 for it. It's something to have on the channel for more content, but that's not the car that I'm actually going to be like building. Of course, I'm gonna have my moments where I'm working on the car on the channel, doing little stuff. I'm gonna have it looking nice just for work purpose, but yeah, that's the deal with this car. It's still at the shop. I've been working nonstop, so I haven't even bothered, but I'm about to jump into Project Tank right now. We're gonna go out there, work on the body work, and pick up where we left off from the last video. So stay tuned, continue to watch it all the way through, and let's get some work done. All right, so let's jump into this car. I'm probably gonna end up pulling it out here and doing it outside of the garage. I also need to clean the inside of the garage because I should be getting my lights put in here soon, and we're just gonna be redoing the garage, making it more, I'm not gonna say livable, but more nicer, a nicer place to work in. So, and then with me having lights, I'm gonna be able to run my TV out here. Well, the electricity gonna be ran out here. Get some of this extra fiberglass to crop off. So let's jump in on this. So my plans changed a little bit. Battery dead. I might have to look into getting a new battery. I'm not sure if I'll replace it or not, but every time I come out now, the battery's dead. So looks like I'm gonna be working on the car inside the garage. Oh, I didn't want to do it in here. Let's go. So this right here was just a reminder why it took me so long to get out here and even try to work on this body. I hate doing body work as far as sanding down and all that. It's so time consuming and just, I don't know, but once you finish, it all pays out. I still have the whole freaking car pretty much to do. What you see me to do in the time lapse, that's all I got done so far. So I'm gonna show you what that looked like. And then after that, I'm gonna show you when I finish with everything, how it's gonna turn out. Mind you, I still gotta pull it out, wash it off after I finish sanding it. Go back over it with like some filler to fill in little gaps and imperfections throughout the body. So it's just time consuming, a lot of work, but this is what it looked like for the part that I did. So this is what it looked like, much smoother. I did all of this with just the 60 grit, so I still got a lot of sanding to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the screws. I need to either put something over this, but then they're gonna pop out. So I gotta figure the screw situation out, whether I'm gonna sand it down so the screw is exposed or try to actually cover them up. But yeah, we're gonna figure it out. And then I still got to sand it down. As you see, there's still gaps in the fiberglass and crap like that. But it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Then I got to go back over it with Bondo. It's just a lot. And then when you see it like that, that's depressing right there, because I got to do all of that work too. So, but yeah, I'm going to show you when it's finished. And so change of plan, my sander died again, so I got it charging. The garage is empty, so I'm about to clean this out. The battery charged a little bit, so I'm gonna let the car run for about 15 to 20 minutes, let the battery charge back up. But since I got better light, I started that back part. Of course, you see where it died at, and I'm not gonna hand sand all of that. And here's the part, since we got better light, how it looks now. The body is nice and smooth. I still got to go with the 200 grit or 400 to make it a little bit smoother. Like I said before, fill in those gaps and all of that. So it's still a lot of work to do. The whole day ahead of me. It's only like 2 o'clock. I got an hour and a half before the kids get home, so I'm gonna get some work done. But I don't want to make this video extra long. So with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button once again, and I appreciate all the love and support. And until the next video, I'm out.